All right, here we go with 6th grade Excel, lesson 109, determining negative numbers using coordinate points. We're going to be looking at a 4-quadrant graph where we use negative numbers when we're graphing. Hopefully you have pretty good command of positive numbers on a graph. Now we're going to go into the negative numbers. And with us today we have a couple of special guests, Haley and Tyler. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
There they are to help lead the lesson with you today. A complete coordinate grid is shown here. So this is not just what we've been doing, which is this part over here, but it's all the negative numbers as well. We call this quadrant 1. A lot of times they write it with Roman numerals. Here's quadrant 2. We're working our way around the formation to the left. And then here's quadrant 3. And then over here is quadrant 4, Roman numeral 4. And you're going to need to know that when you go to your bubble-in test. So make sure you go over that. Remember the order of the quadrants. Up to this point in the year, we have been working with the upper right quadrant, quadrant 1, right over here, which contains only positive numbers. Positive numbers are greater than
0.
Good. There are 3 other quadrants. These quadrants involve negative numbers. Negative numbers are less than
0.
0 is considered a whole number, but is neither positive or negative. 0 is right here in the middle, where the two x and y cross each other. So that's not too tough so far. It says identify the coordinates for each point on the coordinate grid. We'll do the first one together. Where is A? Remember that the plane is going to fly this way or this way. It's going to move starting at 0. It's going to go along the ground before it takes off. So if we're starting here at 0, to get to A, we're going to move along this x line here. How far do I go along the x line, everybody?
To -6.
Good. -6. It's not 6, but -6 this time. You can see -6 written right here. And then the plane's going to take off. Is it going positive or negative when it takes off?
Positive.
Positive. How many?
2.
2. So we write 2 or positive 2 right there. So A is located at -6, positive 2. Get it? Okay, go ahead and try B and C, numbers 2 and 3. Pause the video. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, B. We're looking right here. Same type of an idea as the last one. We're starting right here at 0. To get there, we're going to what first? -4, and then what? Positive 3. So the answer is -4, positive 3. Letter C. Over here where we have been doing points all along, right? How far do we go first? Positive 2. Good, because we start on the x line or along the runway, and then go what?
Positive 5.
Positive 2, positive 5. There's your solution for that one. Okay, now we're going to get a little trickier. I want you to do D, E, and F. See if you can find those solutions, and pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. Okay, D, help me out here, you guys. Starting at 0.
You fly to positive 4.
Positive 4, and then?
Go up to positive 2.
Yes, good, okay. Now what about E? Where do I go first?
You fly to positive 6.
Positive 6, and then what?
Down.
Down, so it's going to -2. Positive 6, -2. And this is when the plane goes into the river, I guess, or something. I don't know, it crashes. Yeah, not such a good situation. F, how far do we go on the x-axis to start off?
Positive 3.
Positive 3 over to here, and then?
-5. Crash to -5.
Positive 3 into the river, -5. We have a crash going on. All right, and now you're going to do G, H, and L. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, G. We're starting here. What do you think the first number is?
Reverse to -2.
-2, good, because we're coming back this way first. And then what?
And then
-3. Crashes down into the water, -3. Okay, what about H?
-5.
-5, good.
You go to
-4. Beautiful. You guys got this perfectly. And what about L? -6, and then
-2.
-2. Hopefully you got all those right. Thanks for watching.